How to buy Kishu Coin on Trustwallet. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this article on our website, Shetcoiner, we're going to talk about how to buy Kishu on Trustwallet and how can you do that. First of all, I want to talk about what is Kishu. Everything about Kishu you must know. In the first step, I want to talk about Kishu is a cryptocurrency inspired by the creation of Dogecoin and other dog-based meme coins. The founders launched the currency in 2021 as an Ethereum-based token, and the project even bought a lot of billboards in Times Square to promote the coin. The Kishu ecosystem consists of a decentralized structure as an NFT market and a liquidity pool through Uniswap. We've been talking about Dogecoin and Uniswap in previous videos, as you can see in our YouTube channel, but something that I want to talk about is that meme coins, are not some kind of coins to be trustworthy because there are many reasons that these kind of coins are not stable and they will be pumped or dumped based on the news, based on the different events, and you cannot invest in these currencies based on a long term or a long period of time, because if someone like Elon Musk or any other famous person want to pump a coin, we can only do that based on their Twitter or any other social media that they have, and their fans will be pumped by this coin, and after that this coin and the price of this coin will be increased. So it doesn't make sense to invest in these kind of currencies for a long term, but you can make money for the short term. And how to buy Kishu, we're going to talk about a step-by-step tutorial. First of all, you must find an exchange. After that, you must buy ETH to exchange. For example, you can use different exchanges. For example, for centralized exchanges, Binance is the best exchange that you can use because there are many people around the world are trying to use this currency every single day, this exchange every single day. And if you want to use a DEX like Uniswap, it's really useful because first of all, it's decentralized, so you don't need to show yourself as a person who want to use it. And after that, sometimes it's totally you must pay less. It's the best way I can describe DEX or decentralized exchanges. And after that you buy ETH on that exchange, you must transfer ETH to a digital wallet. And for example, if you're using your laptop or your desktop, you most of the time use it. It's better to use MetaMask, or if you're using your phone or your iPad or your tablet, it's better to use Trustwallet. And connecting your digital wallet to a decentralized exchange, as I told you, Uniswap is the best to buy Kishu. And how to buy Kishu on Trustwallet? The cryptocurrency has started many years ago. Something like, as I've been talking about it 2 years ago, but it's not two. This cryptocurrency has stated that many of its competitors are not in a good position to invest in the future. But I think it's something to save this currency, and it's this currency or these kind of currencies are the same, in the same step, in the same position, in the same situation, and there is no difference. There is no big difference. And this popular currency is updating itself and becoming more practical in various fields. I don't think so. But with the advertisements it is increasing the number of its fans every day. Currently, the value of this currency is about, as you can see, but I think it's in, you know, um, different value. If you're planning to invest for a long time and you can take the risk of your assets, this currency can be one of the suitable currencies for future growth, but I don't think so. And you can check this currency and the prices on CoinMarketCap. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video.